Number 1, calculate how much calcium hydroxide is required to prepare a 400 cubic centimeter solution if the pH calculate how much calcium hydroxide is required to prepare 400 cubic centimeter solution if the pH is 12.8. The question manje ihlanganisa what we did with preparation of solution plus the pH scale. Now lana you must not think independently. Kwa science ngempela asingacabangi independently. Kumele uthathe le untshontshe ngapha uthi kuntshontsha ngapha kuhlanganisa. Bonto nakho nansi indaba ihlangana la. It's just like njengoba sikunenhlekelele la yama floods. Abantu abakhayo bayasebenzisana. Ngeke nje veseni ukuthiwa mina ngoba ngiyakha ibridge so ufuna ukulungisa ibridge kuphela. Awucabangela abantu abogesi ngoba phela ubridge lihamba so kumele nisebenzisane ukuthi abogesi amanzi ahamba la ashaya ugesi kanje. So next time asuhambise ngaphezulu ugesi. Ukuze noma amanzi enze kanjani ungathinteki ugesi. Ungabe usahamba la emapayipini. Niyasebenzisana. Wena owakhayo lindela phela naloku kagesi azoyenza contribution. Yikho lokhu kuba into eyodwa ehambisana. Nala wena owenza isolution qhamuka wena we pH phela sihlanganisa sibone ukuthi indlela yokumtrainer ukuthi you must work nisebenzisane. So we have how much of this. Now maybe how much of calcium hydroxide? How much? Bafuna imass. Engakanani calcium hydroxide esiyidingayo? Ngoba phela calcium hydroxide ungayithola in a form of a mass. Uthi engakanani? You need how much of calcium hydroxide? To prepare, you prepare, this is cubic centimeter, it's a volume. Volume of 400 cubic centimeter. You want to prepare a solution near the volume. And you are given the pH. Calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide. Now you are given the pH. pH is 12.8. Hey! What a problem. Volume, pH, nakogog. Where do we start? Bafuni mass. Kuna layer equation where you say number of moles is concentration times the volume. Yeah, value volume. Okay. Here can the number of moles now. Number of moles futhi mass over molar mass. Ha, iyalunguza manje mass. Uma number of moles ilingana ne CV. Can the number of moles futhi mass over molar mass. We therefore mass over molar mass is equals to CV. Right. Siyangakhona manje siyasisondela. Now here we are given the equation. We know the molar mass of calcium hydroxide. So it's all molar mass yakho. Concentration and volume. So we are seeing it all. Now, I sense the mass ngoba phela they say you must calculate the mass. So the mass is equals to molar mass times concentration times the volume. Molar mass times the concentration times the volume. Now what is the molar mass of calcium hydroxide? Calcium hydroxide asifuneki molar mass uyibhale bakwethu ungazoyibhalele ehontshi nje umuntu ayibhalele abantu bathatha athathe umsoco weanswer ayibhale kwi-question paper abhale question paper ubhale question paper amamaki la uwabhala kwi-question paper mesuka athathe nje i-answer ayifake kwi-answer book uhambe nomsoco yekhaya ushiya thina nenyama nje eyomisiwe nje kuphela letha yonke into kungcono umuntu mekumakela athi hey yazi unginikeze okuningi I didn't need this I needed this kunokuthi athi ay lokhu kade ngikudinga akakulethanga nanokukuletha write everything ngamani bacrash but no not this one but that one. Molar mass calcium 40 with periodic table atomic mass of calcium is 40. Oxygen 40 plus, oxygen 16, hydrogen 1 times 1 oh bangaki laba na 2. So we have 40 plus 16 plus 7 plus 1 is 17. 17 times 2 is 34. 17 times 2 is 34. Ithi ngayisho ngomlomo bakwethu ngiyazi ukuthi abanye abajabule uma ngenze kanje hayi sokungconywana ke sekuyini now 40 plus 34 which is how much 74 grams per mole. 74 grams per mole. Sesiyitholile ke molar mass sina i-volume i-concentration iyi-challenge nayo kumele siyithole. That is why it's an examination type question. Asizela. Yeah. Molar mass 74 times concentration kumele siyithole times the volume. Volume cubic centimeter to cubic decimeter is 0.4 decimeter cubed. So this is times 0.4. Asifuneke i-concentration. Sinikezwe i-pH. Siyithola kanjani i-concentration? Is calcium hydroxide in OH. Ake siqale sifune i-pOH. pH plus pOH is equals to 14. So pOH is 14 minus pH, which is 14 minus 12.8. That is your pOH. 14 minus 12.8 ngiyazi ukuthi 1.2 kodwa ngifuna ukuba ne-show habe ungayitshela ungaze ngiyitshela ukuthi uyayitshela lona uyayitshela pOH 1.2 sengitholile ke manje the pOH sengayithola ke concentration ka calcium hydroxide lana ngizothola i-concentration ka OH lana ngizothola i-concentration ka OH minus bese ngibuya ngithola i-concentration i-calcium hydroxide. Siyabuya ke pOH yini na minus log the concentration of OH minus aqueous. So 10 to the power or concentration of OH minus aqueous yini na 10 to the power minus pOH, which is 10 to the power minus 1.2 is concentration of OH minus aqueous. What is 10 to the power minus 1.2? Yasuka leyo mpahla sithi shift log minus 1.2 ngithola mina 0.063. So the concentration of OH minus yini na aqueous it's 0.063 or 6.3 times 10 to the power minus 2 sorry mole per decimeter cubed. Right. Sisane concentration ka OH minus. Sithola kanjani ka calcium hydroxide? Siyakhumbula. Uyabhala laphana ku-equation. Uthi calcium hydroxide in water, it forms Ca2 plus aqueous and OH minus. Ababili 2OH minus. 2OH minus aqueous. 2OH minus. Awusitshela ukuthi wenze njani ku-OH minus udivide ngani ngo-2 ukuthola i-concentration ka-calcium hydroxide. Ithini concentration ka-OH minus? Now, ithi 6,3 times 10 to the power minus 2. Divide by 2. Yini na concentration ka-calcium hydroxide. Ake siyibheke. Sithola times 10 to the power minus 2. Okay. Ngithola mina 3,15 times 10 to the power minus 2. So a concentration of calcium hydroxide is 3,15 times 10 to the power minus 2. Sesiyayifaka ke la manje. Sesiyitholile ke i-concentration ye-calcium hydroxide. Sesizoyigaxa la. Gaxiyani layani sigaxa la. Sesizothini na sithi i-mass lena 74 times what? 3,15 times 10 to the power minus 2 times 0,4. So we have this. Sitholani la 0,4 times 74. Bese ngithola u-0,9324. 0,93 imass yethu leyo 0,9324 grams. That is our mass. So this is how you use it. Niyayibona ke ukuthi isabalele kangakanani. Uma sithi recap but calculate mass. Ngale ngathi uthi calculate mass unikezwe wena calculate mass unikezwe i-volume ne-pH. So yakhumbula ukuthi uma kuyi-pH i-pH ngakusiza ukuthola i-concentration. Usebenzisa le equation, number of moles u-CV, number of moles mass over molar mass. Why ngisebenzisa le? Ngoba yona esinikeza i-clue ye-mass. Then mass over molar mass is concentration times the volume. Yathola ke i-mass ngiyenza subject of the formula bese iyenza kanje. Uma injena how mass molar mass 74 nguthole kanjani? Ngisebenzise laphana ngifuna i-molar mass ka-calcium hydroxide. Ngabuya ngafuna i-concentration yakhona ingakanani i-concentration ngayifuna ngale ndlela ngaqala ngafuna i-POH la ngathola i-POH yala ezongisiza ukuthola i-concentration ka-OH minus. Sengitholile i-concentration ka-OH minus sengiyabuya ke manje ngifuna i-concentration ka-calcium hydroxide. Senginayo ke manje i-concentration ka-calcium hydroxide ngigaxa la mese ngigaxa la ngigaxa kanye ne-form ne-volume laphana ngiyacalculate mahlayeni ngithola 0,3324 grams bese ngiyayiqhawula ngithi ngisishayile leso sibalo ngokwenze njani na ngokuyiqhawula kumele uyiqhawule phela ngokuqeda ungaqhawula umuntu wena uyaziqhawula futhi angeke uhlushwe ngeke ufune ne-sanitizer ngoba izandla zakho lezo ozoyiqhawula ngazo. So ke sime ngale ndlela. So sesizobheka ke esesibili esithanda naso ukuphuma kancane esithanda ukuhlupha kancane bese then we'll take it from there.